Now keeping you and your family safe. This is 2 Works For You weather, certified most accurate.
I got to tell you, I'm usually one of the calmest in the market when it comes to severe weather and doom and gloom and things like that. But the data I've seen the last couple of days has really caused me to be concerned about the storm system that's coming in. I hope it's wrong, but if it's right, we're going to be hit very, very hard. And not far from right now, the storm system comes in late tonight. Winter storm warning in effect for the Tulsa area from 6 p.m. overnight and into tomorrow morning. Does also include across parts of southeast Kansas. Here's the timeline of what I'm looking at. Let me walk you through this thing. At 8 p.m. tonight, chance of moisture about a 20% chance. But notice between 8 p.m. and midnight, we're up to about a 60% chance of seeing some freezing rain and sleet. So some ice moving in by midnight, and then by 6 a.m., there's a 100% chance that it will be snowing at 6 a.m. By noon, an 80% chance for some blowing snow, poor visibility, snow and ice on the ground. But notice by 6 p.m., we're down to a 30% chance. By midnight, 10. But all this that has fallen will still be on the ground. And again, we're talking about the potential for 9 inches, maybe up to 12 inches from Tulsa up to the north across parts of Bartlesville, all the way up towards Miami. You're looking at the possibility of more than a foot. It rapidly tapers off areas to the south because that storm system will rapidly lift to the north and northeast, but more freezing rain, sleet, and ice to the southeast of us. So this could be a major storm. What about the impact it'll have on green country? With more on that, here's meteorologist Andy Wallace.
Well, Dan, as you mentioned, this storm will be a big deal for us. Let's show you the impacts that we'll have on green country. First of all, travel. You mentioned the blizzard warning. Imagine snow falling at the rate of 1 inch or 2 an hour and winds blowing at 35 to 40 miles per hour. That's going to blow that snow sideways. We're talking about whiteout conditions. If you are planning to travel anywhere on I-44, southwest toward Oklahoma City, northeast toward Missouri, don't do it tomorrow. Same deal with the Muskogee Turnpike, the Cimarron Turnpike, taking US 75 from Tulsa out of the north. It'll be bad. Now, power outages. Here's the deal with the power outages. There will be gusty winds. There will be some ice around. If you are to be without power, it is going to be extremely cold outside. That could be a very dangerous situation. So be sure you have a heating source with you. And as far as closings, well, you already see them at the bottom of the screen, Dan. A lot of folks calling it off for tomorrow. Probably a couple of days after that for a few as well. Back to you.
Oh, it is going to be a big mess. We're at 36 right now, northwest winds. Don't panic, but prepare. You've got several hours to take care of things just in case the storm actually develops. And right now, all the data suggests that it will move in overnight. We're in the 30s and the 40s. Look, even a 50 down ahead of that boundary. We're going to see some freezing rain and sleet develop, but it really goes downhill between midnight and 6 a.m. That's when a bulk of the freezing rain and sleet will fall to our southeast, then changing over to snow. And again, that snow very heavy. It'll be hard to see around. What does it take to have a winter storm? Well, first of all, you need cold air, and we've got a bunch of it. Look at all this cold air to the north, and it's moving in our direction. Morning temperatures dropping below 0 by Thursday morning. You need moisture, and on the water vapor, you can see this storm system rapidly developing. That's it right there. Ahead of it, moisture is streaming up from the south and the southeast, and you need lift. You need that little oomph. And in that, on Viper 2, we've got that storm system to the southwest that'll be lifting up over our area. So all the ingredients are there for what could be a major storm system. Overnight tonight, in the teens and the 20s, we'll see warmer air to our south and southeast, and that snow will be falling tomorrow morning. 19 degrees. We'll have complete live team coverage with Julie and George. They'll be here tomorrow morning, and they should have some amazing snowfall images to show you. 23, the expected temperature for the afternoon, and the highs in the 20s and 30s. Wind chills tomorrow will be near 0, so dangerous to be outside. And the 7-day, look at these morning temperatures. 3 on Wednesday, Thursday, -1. Those are actual air temperatures below freezing on Friday. We do warm up a little bit, but there's another system that comes in Sunday night and Monday, and that too could provide us with a little bit of snow. Guys, Wednesday is Groundhog's Day. I'm really concerned about the groundhog. He may freeze to death. We may have a little frozen rodent on our hand. Again, I hope that this is not going to be as bad as it looks, but everything that I'm seeing right now says that this is a big storm moving our way.
Plus, it looks like once we get hit, it's going to take more than several days to have it all clear out.
It's going to take a long time because it's just going to be bitter cold. The ground will be cold, and it's going to be difficult to get around.